another cell ordinals which is also including endomembrane system, that is of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, first time it was discovered by the Camillo Golgi. And due to which its name is given by the different scientists, that is of due to the Camillo Golgi. Golgi apparatus made up from three types of elements, like ER. ER is also made up from three types of elements, that is cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Like that again, that Golgi apparatus is also made up of cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Golgi apparatus also present near the nucleus, but the cisternae of ER is attached with the nuclear membrane, but not Golgi apparatus cisternae attached with the nuclear membrane. The cisternae, normally 6 to 7 cisternae continuously arranged, and all these cisternae are parallelly arranged with each other. These are parallelly arranged with each other, and these are disc shaped. Cisternae, normally these are disc shaped. They have two phases, that is of cis and trans phase. The two phase is there. The cis phase is of convex phase, is known as this. The convex phase is the cis phase, and this concave phase is of trans phase. Normally the cis phase, that is the forming phase, and trans phase, that is mature phase. Cis phase, that is of forming phase, and trans phase is of mature phase. Normally these two phases of the Golgi complex is entirely different, but they are connected to each other. Any things or different substance or molecules which is formed inside the cisternae of ER, that will be transported to the cis phase or convex phase, and after maturation that will be released through the mature phase or trans phase. But so they are interconnected phase. And the second one is of tubules. These are small branch-like structures, that is of tubules, and small isolated portion which is also found from the ER. These are the vesicles. These three different parts, that is of cisternae, tubules or vesicles, three parts is there. If we see the function of Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, its function is different, and the function is vary from types of cells. It depend upon the types of cells. Mainly that help in the lysosomes is help in the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Glycoproteins and glycolipids. It help in the formation of middle lamina. ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन। सेल डिवीजन के टाइम में ये मेटिलेमेला फॉर्मेशन में भी ये हेल्प करता है। इट इज ऑल्सो हेल्प इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिंथेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंट हार्मोन्स, synthesis of different hormones. Different hormones also synthesis by the Golgi complex of Golgi apparatus. These small vesicles of the Golgi apparatus, that the small vesicles help in the formation of lysosome. Formation of lysosome. Formation of that acrosome of the chromosome. Formation of acrosome of chromosome. Chromosome is the apical portion of acrosome is the apical portion of the sperm. Acrosome of the sperm. Acrosome of sperm. The acrosome is apical part of the sperm. So where that acrosome of sperm is formed with the help of Golgi apparatus. And also helping membrane transport. Membrane transport. The different substances also transport with the help of this Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus having different names. If we see particularly in plant cell, it is known as dictyosome. Dictyosome. If we see in the plant cell, it is known as dictyosomes. Sometimes it is also known as Dalton's body or Baker's body, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. So these different names given to the Golgi apparatus, but the most subtle, that is Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, and in any plant cell, that is of dictyosome. And the next membranous system is of lysosome. Lysosome first discovered by the D. Dalley, first time observed by the D. Dalley. It is a single membrane bound structure. Single membrane bounded structure and formed from vesicles of lysosome. Vesicles of Golgi apparatus. Vesicles of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus के vesicles से ये बनता है. But lysosome contain hydrolytic enzyme. It specially contain hydrolytic enzyme. Different types of hydrolytic enzymes present in the lysosome, that is lipase, proteinase, lipase enzyme, proteinase enzyme, carbohydratase, and other hydrolytic enzyme is present with the lysosomes. Lysosome role, the significant role of lysosome occur inside the animal cells and plasma, and plant cell is there. According to modification, it is of three types. That is of primary lysosome, that is newly formed primary lysosome, newly formed lysosome, lysosome that is of primary lysosome, which is having different digestive enzymes and hydrolytic enzymes. That is the primary lysosome. Second type of secondary lysosome, secondary lysosome. After attaching of or fused with the food items, lysosome plus food material, it forms secondary lysosome, or we can say that the food vacuoles, then after it will be digest the all food material. And third type of that is of tertiary lysosome, or we can say residual bodies. Residual bodies after digestion, that undigested food material remain in that lysosome is known as residual bodies. And fourth one is of autophagic lysosome. Sometimes that lysosome digests the self cell, or some unwanted cell, remove unwanted cell from the cell. That time that lysosome of the particular cell will be brushed out and help in autolysis of cells. That time we can say that is the suicidal bags. Suicidal bags means that destroy the self cell. That's why it is known as autophagic or autophagic or suicidal bags or tertiary lysosome is there. If we see the different function of the lysosome, what are the function of lysosome? Function that help in digestion, of different material inside the cells, help in fertilization, that acrosome, which is the part of sperm, that is also formed from the Golgi apparatus, but that contain different hydrolytic enzymes. So that modify into lysosome and which contain hydrolytic enzyme. That's why it help in the penetrating of the egg cells, and after that help in the fertilization. Then intracellular scavengers. What are the scavengers? Scavengers, the organisms which depend upon the dead organic matter or dead organism. That is the scavengers. It is intracellular scavengers, but different things or different part of the cells that is dead or non-functional, that can be removed from the cells and digest that different cell portion. Next is of metamorphogenesis. Metamorphogenesis means help in the differentiation of the cells or differentiation of the part of the different organism. If we see in the frog, in larva, tadpole and adult, and tadpole tail is there but not in adult. In adult tail is absent, so tail is slowly gradually digested by the lysosome which is present inside the tail, and in adult it is disappear, continuously disappear. That process in which one form, that organism converted into one form to another form or one type to another type, that process is known as morphogenesis, and it that lysosome help in the metamorphogenesis. Defense in WBC, that is of leukocytes, that is macrophages is present in the body. Macrophages that help in the digestion of different bacteria, virus and foreign particles. So it also help in the defense of the body, and nourishment means the provide nutrition, means sometimes the cell require different things that can help in the digestion and provide the energy to the particular cells. So it is also help in the nourishment. So these are the different function of the lysosomes. It is of vacuoles. Vacuoles in animal cell it is absent or very small, but in plant cell it is big and prominent. The maximum portion in the plant cell is covered by the vacuoles. Maximum part of the plant cell is covered by the vacuoles, and the membrane of vacuoles that is known as tonoplast. The membrane of vacuole that is known as the tonoplast is the membrane of vacuoles. Vacuoles contain different, mainly it contain water or any waste material, or we can say cell shape inside the vacuole that is present, or minerals is also present with the vacuoles. If we see the function of the vacuoles, function of the vacuoles, it provides the shape. Provide the shape to the plant cell. Plant cell को shape provide करने का काम करता है. Normally, if the water is released by the plant cells, that plant cell or plant organ cannot retain their shape. So help in the providing of shape. Help in cell growth. Whenever the plant cell absorb water, it will be extend. बड़ी होगी तो जितना ज़्यादा पानी absorb करेगी उतनी cell vacuoles enlarge होगी, and that's also increase the plant growth. It store waste material, water, minerals and other things. It helps in the storage of water, mineral and different things inside the plant. We see the contractile vacuoles present in the amoeba. Contractile vacuoles present in the amoeba. Amoeba is present in the fresh water, and continuously water is inside in the amoeba cells, and these all cells comprise to form the single cell. These all small vacuoles comprise to form big vacuoles, and this will be attached with the cell membrane and release its pore content outside the body. Means it contract and expand, that is known as contractile vacuoles. That's why it release extra product, extra water from the cells, that is the exosmosis. With the help of exosmosis or with the help of exocytosis. So contractile vacuoles that remain the shape of the amoeba.